Hi everyone! These days, more and more sheet metal factories are starting to use panel benders. As we all know, panel benders offer one-click bending high efficient. So many people wonder, do we still need bending workers in sheet metal factories? Take a look at the part in my hand. As you can see, one side is completely bent upward and the other side is bent downward. When this part is bent, it can no longer be rotated for further bending. So our standard panel bender has its limitations. It's better suited for standardized, high-volume production. When we encounter parts like this, we still need our bending workers bending. That's why our panel benders now also offer an automatic unloading function, which helps solve this type of problem. All in all, automation is a trend, but human skill is still irreplaceable. If you have any bending challenges, feel free to reach out. We'll analyze your part and even offer free sample bending for you.